All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back here with the 2016 Mustang. This is pretty much the max effort car with the Cobra Jet intake Manny, full bolt-ons with heads and cams, making low 500s to the wheels with a T56 manual swap, and with some weight reduction. Now he's gonna be running another SUV. He's gonna be running up against a 2018 BMW X6M. Now you guys have seen this car on the channel several times. He is running on upgraded downpipes, intakes, and a custom E50 tune. Estimated to be somewhere around 700 wheel. It's a little bit lighter than the Trackhawk, so it should be a good matchup. But as usual, there's only one way to find out. So for this race, both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so I'm here in the X6M. And as I said, both cars are taking one passenger. So obviously the Mustang has a passenger sitting on the floor.
You gotta lower your window.
So here we go. 40 roll. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, what a race. Sick. Yeah. Good race. Alright guys, round 2. We are going to do a 45 roll. Oh, you got to catch up to him a little bit, then slow down. Just drive up to him and then slow down. Bro. I know, drive up to him first and slow down. Stretch, neck and neck race.
I got it by a little bit.
Well, it was tough to tell, but you guys are pretty much identical. Anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this race. It was really good matchup. If you did like the video, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Later.